When I first decided I wanted to get into investing, everybody said, find your local REIA and join that. Everybody I've met and talked to through Knox REIA has been welcoming to help me. When I started, I didn't have a property. I just had a desire to get into investing. And I've gotten a ton of support from the people I met around here. So it's been phenomenal.
Whitney brings that whole philosophy of helping people who really want to get started. They want to change their life. They know they want to do something, but they don't know how to go about getting it done. And Whitney has got this phenomenal energy that she can help those people begin to move forward and being able to attract those people to come into the Knox REIA group.
Hey y'all, the Christmas party was awesome and we totally missed you, but next month we'll be back at the Holiday Inn off Cedar Bluff. It's the second Tuesday every month in 2020, Holiday Inn off Cedar Bluff. Can't wait to see you there!